Hello, in front of me I've got Clair Obscur. In this video I'll show you Sciel tutorial. As we can read, Sciel Fortale. Sciel can apply and consume Fortale on enemies, maximum 10 per enemy. Skills that apply Fortale generate Sun charges. Skills that consume Fortale generate Moon charges. We've got two basic skills, Twilight Slash and Focus Fortale. Twilight Slash deals low dark damage and consumes Fortale to deal additional damage. Focus Fortale deals medium physical damage, 1 hit applies 2 Fortale, if no Fortale applies 5. You can see Fortale charge on the right side of the screen.
Here's your card.
Using Focus Fortale has given 1 Sun charge and applied 5 Fortale. Sciel get bonus effect while a Sun charge or Moon charge is active. Sun charge gain 1 action point per Fortale, Moon charge gain 1 action point per Fortale applied.
Not today.
At the start of her turn, if Sciel has both Moon and Sun charge, she consumes them to enter Twilight for 2 turns. During Twilight, Sciel applies double Fortale. The maximum amount of Fortale per enemy is increased from 10 to 20. Damage is increased depending on the number of Sun and Moon charges consumed. Try to make the best use of Twilight to maximum Fortale application and damage.
Here's your card. I saw your future.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.